In the heart of Europe, Switzerland is known worldwide as the land of watches, a symbol of precision and prestige. But who was truly the first to craft a Swiss watch? And which was the country's very first watchmaking company? The answer is not as simple as it seems. Hidden among dusty archives and workshop legends lies a story that defies the passage of time itself. Let us travel to the 16th century. Huguenot artisans, fleeing France, find refuge in Geneva. There, Calvin's strict ordinances forbid jewelry, but not watches. Deprived of their original art, these masters transfer their skill to watchmaking. Thus, an industry is born, and in 1601, the Geneva Watchmakers Guild becomes the first of its kind in the world. Villeret, year 1735. Jehan-Jacques Blancpain registers his workshop in this small village, located in what is now the canton of Jura. It is the oldest watchmaking brand in Switzerland, according to the archives. Its history includes pauses and rebirths. Between wood and brass, a legacy was born that, nearly 3 centuries later, still bears his surname.
Let's take a little break now. Before we dive back into this exciting story, tell us in the comments, what kind of watches do you love? Classic elegance, modern innovation, or rare collectibles? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay updated on more fascinating stories from the wonderful world of watchmaking.
In Geneva, 1755, Jean-Marc Vacheron signs an apprenticeship contract that would change history. This act not only forges his career, but also marks the birth of the oldest continuously operating watchmaking firm in the world. Without interruptions, from generation to generation, the heartbeat of its watches has continued to advance, like an eternal echo of time. So, who was truly the first? Blancpain, with the oldest recorded registration in 1735, etched in the archives of Villeret. Vacheron Constantin, with the longest continuous legacy, from 1755 in Geneva to the present day. 2 titles, 2 different ways of measuring greatness. In the end, the answer depends on how each of us chooses to measure time. The history of Swiss watchmaking did not begin in a single day, nor was it shaped by just one individual. Instead, it emerged from a rich tapestry of passion, relentless dedication, and inherited precision, meticulously woven by generations of master craftsmen. Over time, each era added innovations, artistry, and an unwavering commitment to excellence, transforming horology into an enduring art form. Perhaps the real question isn't who was first, but who left a legacy so deep and enduring that it still resonates today. Their timeless influence continues to define Swiss watchmaking as the ultimate symbol of elegance, precision, and craftsmanship. Swiss watchmaking continues to flourish, seamlessly blending rich tradition with cutting-edge modern trends. Within historic factories, skilled artisans meticulously craft timepieces by hand, preserving the artistry, precision, and unmatched expertise passed down through generations. Younger consumers today are drawn to both eye-catching, colorful designs and refined classics, seeking watches that align with their individuality and lifestyle. The industry responds by offering everything from vibrant, playful dials to sleek, minimalist styles, all while incorporating innovative materials and advanced technology. This harmonious fusion of past and present ensures that Swiss watches remain not just functional accessories, but enduring symbols of quality, heritage, and forward-thinking creativity for every wearer.
And now we want to know your opinion. Who do you think was the first to invent the Swiss watch? Let us know in the comments. If you'd like to see more of our videos, subscribe to the channel. Support us with a like and share this video with your family and friends. See you soon.